Today, as you can see, I'm not recording this video from my studio. I decided to stay at home and create this video in a more relaxed and casual setting. I hope you like this new style because today we're going to learn something very special. In my last video, which I posted a few days ago, many of you asked me one question. What AI tools are you using to create these professional videos? My answer was simple. I use many of the same AI tools you already have access to. The difference isn't the tools, it's knowing how to use them correctly. That's exactly what I'll be teaching you today. Any AI tool can produce amazing results if you know how to use it properly. That's why I introduced the 6 elements of professional AI video creation in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you watch it first. Today, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools I use every single day and walk you through my complete video creation workflow, from the moment I get an idea to the final professional AI video. I'm excited to share this with you, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Before we continue, I want you to understand something. This tutorial is actually part of one of my premium training courses that students pay 10,000 Naira to access. Since you're watching it here for free, I encourage you to pay close attention because every step is important. Please don't skip any part of this video. Watch it until the very end because every step builds on the previous one. Missing just one section could make the entire workflow harder to understand. Creating AI videos is only one part of the journey. Editing is another important part. But the real goal isn't just creating beautiful videos, it's creating content that gets results. That's why we're here, to help you learn the right process, avoid common mistakes, and achieve your goals faster through practical mentorship. Now, before I share my screen and show you my complete workflow, if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, follow our social media pages, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more free tutorials like this. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Yeah, welcome to my screen. I believe you know how we get there. We get to this screen. This is where I will show you everything that is happening right now. My ChatGPT is my dear assistant. So you go to your ChatGPT, and first things that you're going to do is to compose your ideas. So everything you want is to happen for that video that you want to make sure you tell ChatGPT about it. Just explain everything, what you want is to happen for that that video, then you will explain everything. After you do that, I believe ChatGPT will give the best. And like you see my screen, this is what ChatGPT give to me after I compose everything. But I look at this, I say, wow, this is perfect, but this is what I want. I wanted to write this what I want. So I still copy that same thing that ChatGPT gave to me. Then I still paste it back to ChatGPT and re-edit it. So there are some things or scenario or a word I wanted to come out from that script, and which is this video you are watching right now. So I try to give ChatGPT to help me to rebrand it, and actually when I give to ChatGPT, it still rebranded for me and give me the title. As you can see, the title it gave to me back later after I compose everything. Tell ChatGPT everything I want is to happen for that script. So it helped me rebrand it and make sure everything is okay. So then it gave me the title, My Complete AI Videos Workflow. That is, this is step-by-step guide. So it gave me the introduction of that, the videos, the start idea, that is the first steps. It gave me the first step, second steps, explain everything to ChatGPT, and which is where we are. Turn my idea into the script, create my AI characters, break the script into the scenes, apply my 6 elements, and also generate video scene and repeat for every scene. So combine everything together and final message it's so complete, so perfect. So that after you get your script done, although it is not finished there, but we're still coming back to that. So I make my character. I see one image of someone that composes and make this video. So I use that same image with my own image to make my own character. But look at it, that image that ChatGPT gave to me. Well, the person is too fat, but I'm not fat. So I actually have to tell ChatGPT, please change it for me. And that is what the functions or important of ChatGPT. It can rebrand everything for you. It can change it for you. It can turn things around for you. So you are lucky to have ChatGPT. So let's continue. Now, if you can see the message that I write, I said this person in the image is not look like me. The face is okay, but too fat. I'm not that fat like that. And the screen inside the bottle, I said it is yellow, not the cup. And you can see it give me the yellow cup. If you see that the image before, so you give me another one, but that one I don't like it, so I have to upload another image. Then it still give me another image with suit, but I don't want the suit to happen and the mic because I'm not using studio today. So remove the mic, and I don't want the suit. I need something relaxed where like first image happen. So if you look at the first image, something relaxed and perfect. So at the end of the day, ChatGPT give me what I want. So I like this image, and which is this video you are watch at the beginning of the video. So now after you create my image, I downloaded it to my device. Then I move on to the next things. So and the next thing is that the script that ChatGPT give to you, as you can see, it give me in step by step, but I want it to be scene by scene that my character can say. So now make sure all the 6 elements showcase from each scene. So if you not know about these 6 elements, watch my former videos. I explain everything to you and how to use it. So now the ChatGPTs have given us all the scenes by scene we want, with all the 6 elements that we want to let it to appear there. So what we do now is for you to copy it, the first scene. You can't copy all the scene at once and let the tools to help you to generate the full video once. You have to copy it scene by scene. That's why you don't want the video. I suggest that the video should not too long. So you will copy the scene, the first scene now. As you can see, I'm in 14th scene now. So I just want to copy one scene so that we use it for as an example, real practical. So after you copy the scenes, then tools that we use to generate video. So after you copy it, you will go to that tools right now. Yeah, we are there. The tools we are using is YouTube. And what you just do, click on that heading, click on that star at the corner. Then after you click it, it will take you to the interview where you write create video. Then you will click on create video, paste your script. After you place your script, then add image, the character image that you want to use for this video. So you will add it, and make sure you use only one character, or it depends on you, depend on the video you want to make. So you will add that script. After you paste, then edit it. As you can see, the generate button is not active. Why is it not active? The reason is that there are some symbols, or maybe the length of that script is too long. So that's 2 things that can cause that thing not to be active. What we do is edit it. Edit your video, edit everything, then add your image. After you add your image, make sure you remove all the symbol. Symbol is not allowed to create the video, and that is why you see it not active. So after you create it, as you can see, so give it some times. After you load
That's why we're
render,
here,
then
to help you
your
learn the
video
right
will be
process,
ready. So
avoid common mistakes, and achieve your goals faster through practical
click on
mentorship.
more, and
Now, before I share my
click
screen,
on save to device. You will see that button at the corner beside the place. So you just click on that more side, and then you will see save to device. You click the button save to device. After some while, video save to your device. So that is all. So let's just try another one so that we can use. If you want to post direct to your YouTube, you can click on next. And if you want to gather all the scenes, make sure you try all that step, repeat that step severally to make sure you copy and complete all your scenes. So go back to your YouTube, do the same things, click on the plus signs, look at the top corner at the right side, you will see that that image, but use YouTube, latest YouTube. As you can see on the screen, you use latest one. After you use the latest one, it's going to give you what you want. So generate another one. After you generate it, Sometimes it may bring error. That error you have to generate again until you reach the time when the tools or the generate YouTube will tell you that come back tomorrow. So this is how you will create your video by scene, scene by scene. So after you create it and everything is generate, save to device, save every step by steps to device. After you save it, carry them to the what, to your CapCut, then edit it.
Congratulations! Your professional AI video is now ready to publish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. If you'd like me to teach you how I edit my AI videos inside CapCut, let me know in the comments, and I'll create a complete step-by-step editing tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.